स्टीम्ड इडली एकदम गरम गरम जो मुंह में डालते ही पिघल जाता है।
क्या आप जानते हैं कि मुंबई की नाश्ते की संस्कृति अलार्म घड़ियों पर नहीं बल्कि मिल मजदूरों और ट्रेन के समय पर आधारित थी।
पूड़ी भाजी हर जगह मिलती है बट यहाँ का टेस्ट अलग है थोड़ा।
The full English breakfast first arrived in Bombay in the 1800s with the East India Company, when British officers decided that their morning eggs and toast be served with silver cutlery and servers and waiters. A little fancy, a little fried, but always 5 minutes late.
So the Kukliku breakfast is our idea of like tasting across the menu.
There was a time when a waiter in a Udupi restaurant could take down an order for over 8 or 9 people without writing it down and remember which customer wanted extra chutney. तो आपको पता ही चला होगा कि ये एपिसोड किस बारे में है। वेलकम टू वेंकीज प्रेजेंट्स खाना नंबर 1 और ये एपिसोड है ब्रेकफास्ट पे, ब्रेकफास्ट इन मुंबई। मैं आपको इस एपिसोड में 3 ऐसी जगह ले जा रहा हूं जो मुंबई के ट्रेडिशनल ब्रेकफास्ट है। पहले शुरुआत करते हैं एक यूनिक मुंबई ब्रेकफास्ट के साथ, उसके बाद करेंगे एक क्लासिकल उडुपी ब्रेकफास्ट और थर्ड फुल इंग्लिश ब्रेकफास्ट। तो चलो वेंकीज प्रेजेंट्स खाना नंबर 1 के इस एपिसोड में नाश्ता खाते हैं। तो पहला नाश्ता खाने मैं पहुंचा हूं मांडवी एरिया मेमनवाड़ी में। वहां है लरेब फास्ट फूड जॉइंट। वहां मिलती है पुड़ियां, चना और आलू। शुरुआत करें इस ब्रेकफास्ट से। चलो
मेरा नाम अबू जैद है और ये मेरी दुकान है। हम लोग पूड़ी भाजी ये स्टार्ट किए 30 साल पहले से। शाम में नान चाप तवा गोश्त ये सब रहता है।
मेरा जन्म मुंबई में हुआ। मैंने इतने साल मुंबई के रास्तों पर खाना खाते हुए निकाले हैं, फिर भी मुझे ये पता नहीं था कि मुंबई के गलियों में इस तरह का नाश्ता मिलता है। हमेशा मैं पोहा खाता हूँ, उपमा खाता हूँ, डोसा खाता हूँ, इडली खाता हूँ, किसी 5 स्टार होटल में जाकर फ्राइड एग्स, स्क्रैम्बल्ड एग्स, बेकन, सॉसेजेस खाता हूँ, लेकिन इस तरह का तीखा आलू, चना और पूरी का नाश्ता मैं पहली बार मुंबई में खा रहा हूँ। इसका मतलब नहीं कि ये पहली बार यहाँ खाना है, क्योंकि मैंने नहीं खाया है। लेकिन तो शुरुआत करते हैं। गरम गरम पूरियाँ सुबह सुबह इतनी अच्छी लगती है। तो ये है पूड़ी जैसे नॉर्थ इंडिया में मिलती है, और पूरी के साथ आलू तो बनता ही है। आलू को छोटा छोटा काटा है और मसालों के साथ बगैर पानी के कुक किया हुआ है। मुझे लग रहा है बगैर पानी के। धनिया, सौंफ, हरी मिर्च और गरम गरम पूरी।
सुबह हम लोग की दुकान 6 बजे से पहले चालू हो जाती है। हम लोग ये बेचते हैं 12:30-1 बजे तक बेचते हैं।
अब इसे भी ट्राई करते हैं। ये चना भी है और आलू की सब्जी भी है इसमें। क्रिस्प पूरी ढूंढ रहा था मैं। अभी मैं थोड़ा दोनों मिक्स करके खाने वाला हूँ। यहाँ से चना लेते हैं, यहाँ से थोड़ा आलू लेते हैं। For me, this is eye opener. और this रस वाले आलू और चना और ये सूखा आलू का सब्जी और ये पुड़िया is as good a breakfast as you can get anywhere in North India. और जहाँ हम जाते हैं ना, जहाँ चना पूरी, छोले पूरी सुबह को ब्रेकफास्ट को मिलता है, as good as anything else. It's just excellent. इस ब्रेकफास्ट के एपिसोड की शुरुआत तो बहुत अच्छी हुई है। अब देखते हैं मुंबई के इस ब्रेकफास्ट का सफर सुबह सुबह हमें और कहाँ ले जाता है। चले
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken. Frankie's chicken in a minute.
Come together with Drenkies.
हम मुंबई के ब्रेकफास्ट की बात कैसे करें और उडुपी रेस्टोरेंट के बारे में बात ना करें। हाँ, माटुंगा जाते हैं, वहाँ मद्रास कॉफ़ी हाउस वगैरह वगैरह सब कुछ है, लेकिन मुंबई के धोबी तालाब में लिबर्टी सिनेमा के सामने एक पुराना उडुपी रेस्टोरेंट है जिसका नाम है लिबर्टी। हम वहां जाने वाले हैं और थोड़ा मुंबई का अर्ली मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट करने वाले हैं। चलो जाते हैं।
I'm Prasad Nayak,
आई एम राजेश नायक।
and you're at Liberty Veg Restaurant, Marine Lines. This was started by our father in 1961.
I've ordered a lot of food, but what has arrived first is the craze that is happening in Mumbai, bene dosa. We've ordered two kinds of bene dosas. One is a masala bene dosa, and the second is a garlic bene dosa. And you know what the specialty of a bene dosa is the butter or the bene, and this is how it flows. Okay, so while the other food comes, I'm starting with this bene dosa because it's hot and it's crisp and it's delicious. So this is the garlic one. You can see that there is garlic. Arey, thank you. ये कौन सा इडली है? Button idli sambar. Okay. Sorry?
Bondan.
Mirchi bondan. Okay. And you know that the greatness of the bene dosa is that it is beautifully crisp outside and soft inside like a sponge. It's beautiful. It's also the most sinful thing I have. I'm going to try this with a little butter. Let me try the bene with masala dosa now. A little bit of the aloo, and I've been taught this that you don't eat it the way I ate the first dosa. You eat it from here. From the middle, you go for it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sambar, chutney, butter. It's a toss-up. कि बने सादा डोसा अच्छा लगता है कि मसाले के साथ यानी आलू के साथ तो सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है। आई लव दिस मसाला डोसा विद
These days बहुत ही बढ़िया बनने का काम चल रहा है।
सांबर। Okay, now Tatay idli. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about Liberty, where we are eating right now. Normally, you associate really good Udupi restaurants and South Indian food in areas like Matunga, Dadar. But this restaurant started in 1961 and is an original Udupi in the South Mumbai area. It's one of the oldest ones here. The area has changed, but I think the food still remains the same way as Prasad and Rajesh's father intended to be.
11 साल की उम्र में वो गांव से आए और यहाँ पर उन्होंने बहुत जगह पे स्ट्रगल किया लाइफ में और बहुत जगह पे काम किया। देन के बाद ये रेस्टोरेंट उन्होंने ओपन किया। उन्होंने जो चालू किया हुआ जो ट्रेडिशन है, जो लेगेसी है, वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग।
And this is now the 63rd, 1961 started, 65th year, this restaurant has been standing here. Everything around has changed, but the food is still the same. Two kinds of chutneys, one tomato chutney, one white coconut chutney. Idli in. What I like most about the sambar is this. अभी तो आए हो. Khatte idli, the big idli with a lot of podi on it and ghee.
हमारा सबसे बेस्ट सेलिंग डिश है स्टीम्ड इडली, एकदम गरम गरम, जो मुंह में डालते ही पिघल जाता है।
Is not to be eaten with sambar normally. I'm assuming because they've got so much of podi in it and so much spice in it already that you don't need the masala. But what I always need is the chutney, green chutney and red chutney. See, so soft. Podi ghee. And 1 minute it's in the mouth, the second minute it's disappeared. It disintegrated because it's so soft.
उसका कारण ये है कि हम लोग जो इडली बनाते हैं उसमें जो राइस का रवा ऐड होता है वो हम मार्केट से नहीं लेते हैं, हम लोग चावल लेते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर स्पेसिफिकेशन, वी ग्राइंड इट, फिर वो इडली उससे बनता है। हमको जो फाइननेस चाहिए उसमें, वो जितना कोर्स वो रहना चाहिए, वो कोर्सनेस के हिसाब से वो इडली का टेस्ट और टेक्सचर डिसाइड होता है।
Can you make out how soft this is? It's like it's gone. Now this is what has just come. Looks like a glass of hot milk, but it's called kasai. It's really good for you. Kasai is milk boiled with herbs, and it's very, very traditional. And it's a little sweet, a little spicy, and very flavorful, full of herbs. We also have mirchi bonda, big green chili dipped in besan and fried. And this chili you can eat safely because it will not kill you. Where? And this is what? Ragi dosa.
Onion ragi dosa.
Onion ragi dosa. Okay, I was trying to end this, but more food has come. The paniyaram, which are appe, which are lovely fried dumplings, if I may call them, but they're really hot. And you've got a ragi onion dosa. See that there is onion inside this. Ragi onion dosa. Millet ragi is now very happening, but traditionally it's always been used in South Indian cooking. Crispy, intense, and pretty beautiful. Now what I've got left is the paniyaram. With onion inside. And every South Indian meal should end with two things. One is filter coffee, kapi, which I'm going to. I'm an expert at this, huh? I also don't like my coffee very hot, so this is a great way of cooling this coffee. I could start this as a business also. Oh, this is the greatness of South Indian filter coffee. And I'm ending my meal with sheera, which is semolina, rava, cooked with sugar and nuts. तो इस एपिसोड में हमने शुरुआत की रास्ते पर विद पूरी, आलू एंड चना, फिर एक क्लासिकल साउथ इंडियन ब्रेकफास्ट हुआ, अब एक और ब्रेकफास्ट बाकी है, स्लाइटली मोर वेस्टर्नाइज्ड, स्लाइटली मोर स्टाइलिश, बट एज टेस्टी एज द अदर टू। चलें, मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम। लेट्स गो।
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken. Frankie's chicken in minutes.
Come together with Drenkies.
And our last breakfast place for this episode of Venky's Presents Khana number 1 is a full fry-up. Yes, we're going to cookly cool. Which is at Colaba Causeway, and I'm expecting to eat some really good eggs and stuff. So let's go.
Hello, I am Chef Nizha, founder of Cooklick Breakfast House. We serve all-day breakfast, and we're happy to have Mr. Kanal in here. So we've got a mix of some stuff that I love off the menu. We of course thought that serving the akuri today would be a great idea. I think it's one of his favorite meals.
See how life is coincidental. हमने शुरुआत की थी लगभग भिंडी बाजार से, और अब मैं कुलाबा में जो बैठा हूँ ये भी ब्रेकफास्ट है, भिंडी बाजार ब्रेकफास्ट. And this is a typical breakfast that you would get in Bhindi Bazaar, but just evolved, presented beautifully, and hygienically, I'm guessing. So we're going to start with what is Mumbai's most go-to breakfast thing, which is chai and khari. Khari, this beautiful pastry, which honestly we should have shot in this episode, but I'm just so happy that we're shooting it right here. This is lovely puff pastry, khari with chai, and the only way to do it is to dip it in and have it, which is exactly what I'm going to do. This is how any breakfast should start in Mumbai. Dip, khari, and look, look at it. Layers and layers of goodness. Butter. Okay. In this set breakfast, which is called Bhindi Bazaar, we get typical Bhindi Bazaar things like a lovely looking keema ghotala, which is eggs with keema, lamba pav, and cutlet. Cutlet for breakfast? Yes, you can.
So the Bhindi Bazaar breakfast is something I curated for the menu, of course, for people like my father who enjoy a big meat-heavy breakfast. So this is kind of an homage to him.
Let's try this keema ghotala. It's one of my favorite dishes of all time. I like adding eggs to everything, like the Parsis do. And eggs and keema just do brilliantly well together. हमने बहुत बार खीमा पाव ब्रेकफास्ट मुंबई में किया है, लेकिन जब भी हम खीमा में आइदर फ्राइड एग डालते हैं या घोटाला बन के डालते हैं, for some reason that keema just tastes better. And pav is such a thing that only Mumbai gives you this wonderful, wonderful bread. You travel to most other parts of the country and you will never get this kind of pav. I just love it. Keema, pav, anda, breakfast together. Now, to try this cutlet. These are one of my favorite things, cutlet, and these cutlets are looking really nice. Most often cutlets contain more potato and bread than meat, and this one is packed with meat. Also dipped in egg and fried. Oh, they are really good. These cutlets are really good. I'm going to come and just parcel cutlets the next time for you. Really good cutlet. It's just full of meat. The meat has been pounded down, mixed with just the right amount of spices, made into a patty, egg dipped in egg and fried. It's just beautiful cutlets. Oof. Sometimes when I'm eating, a taste surprises me so happily, and this is one of those moments. I put it in my mouth and just woof, wow. Okay, now, so the other set breakfast you can get here is the Kukiliku breakfast, which comes with 3 eggs of your choice. I always choose sunny side up. Sausages, house potatoes, French toast as an option, chia bowl as another option.
So the Kukliku breakfast is our idea of like tasting across the menu. So we have a little bowl. You have the option of choosing a chia seed bowl or a yogurt bowl. You have the option to pick between French toast, pancakes, or waffles. It comes with a side of house potatoes and a choice of English sausage or smoked sausages, and 3 eggs your way, however you like.
I'm going to start with the bowl. Bowl full of berries, chia, looking good. It's always interesting to figure out how these chia bowls with yogurt have become so popular, and I can understand why. Because they're refreshing, it doesn't feel sinful when you eat it, and they're yummy with the sour, sweet. Okay, but let me just get to the main thing. We got French toast. We got French toast with chantilly cream and maple butter. Cream. I love French toast. And strangely, I like it sweet as well as savory, both kinds of French toast. Which I think just the combination of egg and bread together is great. Now to eat anda. Runny yolk. with a little sausage and a little potatoes. Just lovely. So we've done the bhindi bazaar breakfast. We've done the kukuliku breakfast. I got my eggs and my sausages and my French toast. I've got 3 or 4 things left to eat. No breakfast is complete for me without a variety of breads, and this is a honey butter toast.
Honey butter toast is one of my favorite things to end the meal with. So, of course, we've got that today.
If it's honey and butter toast, it's honey and butter. My love for bread is never ending. So the way this is done is there's a spread made out of brown sugar caramel, which caramelizes in the oven with butter. The toast is put into the oven slow so that the sugar starts bubbling over, and then when it cools down, as you know, brown sugar all crisps up. This is exactly what has happened to this bread. My voice has also become softer after eating this. There's no crazy excitement. There's just joy and relish. Okay. Now, I'm going to end with a congee over there. Congee, which is the most wholesome breakfast meal that is not only popular in Asia, but also growing up, we also used to eat some form of congee or the other. Kanji in Marathi. Okay, let me just have it. No, what the hell? So I've got obviously what is a beautifully poached egg on top, a little bit of mushroom, and this is the actual congee, which is rice, boiled rice. And I'm assuming the way to eat it would be to break this till it all oozes out. Mix it up a little bit with these lovely mushrooms. It's heartwarming. This is the idea of adding a little bit of edamame to this. But there's nothing as creamy as a poached egg. We've done some bhindi bazaar breakfast, or rather Mehman Wada breakfast. We did some South Indian breakfast, but we forgot one thing. It's a Parsi breakfast. And this is a beautiful akuri, which represents the Parsi community of Mumbai, which I'm going to try and get to. And don't forget, the one thing that the Parsis do rather well is put sali on everything. And we've got these potato straws. And please guys, there's a difference between a bhurji and an akuri. And you can make that out by just looking at this. Anything goes well with sali, and this akuri is quite delicious. It's full of spices, masala, the eggs are nice and creamy. And I've got this sali on top of it, not normal sali or masala sali. Okay, now you've heard of waffles, but have you heard of chicken and waffles? I love waffles. I grew up eating waffles. My grandmother used to make the best waffles on earth. It's true. So we got fried chicken with the waffles, with mushroom gravy. What is this thing about fried chicken? If it's done really well, it's just yummy and delicious. And classically, waffles are eaten with butter and maple syrup. It's just crunchy outside, soft inside. This maple sauce is just perfect. And this is just so yummy. I'm not getting a sharp spice, but there's something that just tweaks the sweetness of the maple syrup and makes it really delicious. I think I'm so full right now. तो इस एपिसोड में हमने बहुत सारा नाश्ता खाया है. We eaten a hell of a lot of breakfast. And कितनी वैरायटी मुंबई के बेस्ट ब्रेकफास्ट हमने आपको दिखाए, जो रास्ते पर से शुरू हुआ to a good, really old Udupi restaurant and to this wonderful place, which is modernized breakfast as a concept, without removing the joy that Indian food, Indian spice, and English breakfast brings us. If you like this episode, please write to us. लिखिए, share कीजिए, comment कीजिएगा, और see you the next time on Mackey's Presents, खाना number 1. Can we cut? Because I'm very full.